Welcome to my channel once again today. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to save Word documents in PDF. When I was a beginner in the use of Microsoft Word, in fact, this was one of the challenges I faced then. So it was a difficult thing for me to convert my Word document, to PDF before uploading to platform where I want to use it for. So it was a big deal. So if you are searching for how to do that, know that I was once there. So it's normal. But in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can convert your Word document to PDF. So the first thing is for us to open our Word app. I have it already pinned at the taskbar of my computer. But for you, if you want to start from scratch, you can click on the search app, type Word. Then select it, just click on it for you to open up. It opens, you can choose blank document or start from building from templates. But in my own case, I've already opened the document, so I will not necessarily do that. So I have the document I want to work with, but no, notwithstanding that, let's still work with blank. So these are the document samples you can work from. You can choose blank, you can choose, from templates. All these are templates of what documents you can start working with. Okay, but here I have some documents I created recently. So I want to use one of them to teach you on how you can convert your Word document to PDF or how you can save your Word document in PDF. So I'll click on it for it to open. Okay, so let me work with the one. Okay, all right. I have here. Now, let's assume this is my document filled with content that I want to convert to PDF. What I will do is this. I don't want this document to be saved in document format. I want it to be saved as PDF. Get it clear? So the step I need to take is first, click on the File tab. File tab is the first tab in your Word document. Okay, you can see it here. Click on it. Then go down to Export. Click on Export command. You can see Export here. Click on it. Then what is selected is create PDF slash SPS document. Okay, so click on that create PDF slash SPS document. At this point, just click on it. Just hold on. It's trying to convert the document format to PDF. Okay, now it has opened a section of your computer where you're likely to save this Word document in PDF format. Can you see that? So it has opened a file explorer. I can decide, okay, let me give it a different name, Android, or okay, let's say just attach it as PDF, though the format will still be chosen by default. Okay. Okay. Now the next step you have to take is to do what? Click on publish. Remember, this is being saved in the documents folder, which is one of the major folders created on Windows laptops. Okay, click on publish. Now, this, depending on the computer you're using, it can be saved in that document, in that PDF, and be opened automatically in your browser. So it's normal. So let's see what this one is going to do now, whether it will open automatically in my browser after saving in PDF. It will take a little time, but let's just give it that time. Okay, you see it has opened in my browser after saving in that PDF. So but that's not the case. What is more important is that you have learned how you can do what? save your document, your Word document in PDF. So if I get to my File Explorer, I open my File Explorer, then I visit the Documents folder. Okay, you can see these documents here. We are just saving PDF, which is the Android, which is actually Android or PDF. All right, so these are just the simple steps you have to take to do what? To save your Word document in PDF. As simple as that, and you are good to go. So thank you for watching my video today, and please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment if it helps. Okay, thank you, and watch my next video.